Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the unit and essentials. Make sure the battery has charge and a micro SD card with charts is inserted because navigation accuracy depends on them. Once done, plug or mount the transducer and route the cable safely. This prevents signal loss. Press and hold the power key until the Lowrance logo appears, then wait for full boot. You'll see a quick start screen. Tap through to the home page so you can begin configuring sonar and GPS immediately. Next, configure core settings so readings are meaningful. Go to System and set language, units such as feet or meters, and the correct time zone. This prevents mismatched data later. Then calibrate the compass and confirm GPS lock. Accurate position fixes are essential for waypoints and track accuracy. Once calibrated, load or update charts from the micro SD, select the sonar frequency that matches your transducer, and fine-tune sensitivity. These steps improve bottom definition and fish target. Now operate the unit. Mark waypoints by tapping the cursor and pressing the waypoint icon, and record tracks for repeat routes so you can return precisely. Toggle between chart, sonar, and split screen to compare maps and bottom structure. This helps you decide where to fish or navigate. If you lose GPS or sonar, first verify the transducer and power connections, then confirm frequency and sensitivity settings. If problems persist, restart the unit. Often a reboot restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.